In this video, I'm going to show you how AI killed creativity. So what happened in the last few years is that we started to outsource our brains to machines. These machines are getting smarter every day. They can now do all the basic things that humans can do. They can write, they can paint, they can compose music, they can make games, they can make videos, they can basically do everything. But the problem with these tools is that anyone can use them and therefore everyone uses them. Have you ever seen a popular social media platform? There are so many posts, so much content being generated every day by people who just want to be part of it. They don't really care about what they're posting, just that it's there. And because of that, most of it gets lost. It's just white noise, and this is what I call the death of creativity. Let me explain. When I was a kid, I had an idea that I wanted to become a painter. I remember going to an art store with my parents. I must have been 6 or 7 years old, and seeing all those different colors for the first time, it felt like a revelation. It was like a drug. I remember holding my parents back as we were leaving the store. I didn't want to leave. I wanted to stay in that place forever, but my mom said, "We can buy you paints, but you need to understand that if you don't practice, you will never get better." So I got my paints, I got my brushes, and I went home. I would spend hours painting every single day. I would go out into nature, find some inspiration, try to copy other painters. I would do anything to get better at it, but then something interesting happened. A popular social media platform came out with a filter that allowed you to apply watercolor effects to your photos. And suddenly everyone could be an artist. Everyone could post their digital watercolors online and get validation for it. And so people did. They posted their digital watercolors and they got thousands of likes. Some even became famous for it. I remember looking at these posts and thinking to myself, how is this possible? How can someone just take a photo and turn it into this piece of art with just one click? This filter killed my creativity. I stopped painting completely. Why would I spend hours every day trying to learn and get better when I could just outsource the work to a machine? And I wasn't the only one. Every single day, millions of people stop pursuing their dreams because why bother learning when you can just use a tool that is gone, do it better than you anyway? Do you think that AI will help us become more creative? I don't. I think that AI will do the opposite. I think that AI will kill creativity because what is the point of dreaming big when you can just outsource it to a machine that does it faster, better, and for free? There is hope though. There's one thing that machines can't do yet, and that's to think critically. Machines can't think for themselves. They need instructions. They need parameters. They need to be fed data. But once they have done that, they can spit out results that are almost impossible for humans to achieve. That's why it's so important to learn how to think critically, to learn how to question everything, to learn how to solve problems in a world where machines are taking over all the basic things that humans do. The only way to survive is to evolve, and that's what I want to help you with. I've created a course called Critical Thinking that teaches you exactly that. It is a collection of short and full-length videos where I take you through everything from the basics of logic to the basics of rhetoric and everything else that is involved in solving problems and making decisions. This course is a great starting point if you want to learn more about how to think critically. And that's why I don't believe that AI will ever kill creativity, because creativity requires thinking, which means it requires a human touch. Yes, machines can imitate our styles, they can copy what we do, but they will never truly understand it. Because understanding requires thinking, and thinking is what makes us human. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.